Hey, happy Saturday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione, and just a little taste of fall this weekend. Today, Saturday, beautiful. You can't beat this. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. We'll have a breeze starting out of the north at around 5 to 10. You may get some winds around 5 to 12, 5 to 15 out of the northeast during the afternoon. Humidity fairly low, just a very comfortable day to be outside. Not a scorcher, though, so if you're heading down to the beach, do be prepared that it's not going to be super warm down there, but I'd say certainly a beautiful day at the beach or inland, really anywhere today. You can see that here reflected in our forecast this afternoon. Temperatures, or I should say cloud cover. We're talking mostly sunny skies, maybe a few clouds from time to time. Now, things will change a bit as we head into Sunday. Notice overnight into Sunday, some low clouds, maybe some drizzle, a few showers start to develop. Sunday's not a washout, but it'll be cooler. There will be more clouds around, and some periods of drizzle and showers are possible. So the pick of the weekend on Saturday. We'll be updating things throughout the weekend right here on WPRI.com, and including an update on the tropics. We do have a system lurking down near Florida that could pass offshore. We're not saying it gets that close, but it could pass offshore, say the middle towards the end of next week, and maybe kick up some surf around here. We'll keep you updated on that as well.